Live without limits, don't be held back by one-dimensional bar clamps. Our unique clamping system features a 360-degree rotating neck designed to give you even more control over your light placement, regardless of the position or angle of your bars. Hang on tight, aggressive, straight knurling on the mounting surfaces gives your lights the traction they need to hold on through the harshest terrain. And with a zero-slip, locking stud design, these clamps won't twist when you twist the throttle. Rock solid, on the trail, there's no room for weak hardware. Engineered to be thicker and more durable than other bar clamps and equipped with rugged stainless steel bolts, these bar clamps have earned their place at the top of the podium. Unyielding protection. Specially designed rubber inserts shield your lights against damaging vibrations, provide an unequaled level of light stabilization, and protect against the unforgiving conditions of the off-road. Unmatched versatility. Go anywhere with a clamp that is as flexible as your machine. These clamps include adapters to fit 1, 1.5, 1.75, and 2 bars and 2 different length mounting neck with studs for added clearance adjustment. Top reviews from the United States. Best mount on the market. Pack comes with everything you need, down to the thread locker. Pieces all feel very quality and sturdy. Easy to install. The only negative thing I can say is the wrench supplied is weak and will only last for the installation if you're lucky. Other than that, everything is great.